You've probably heard of a VPN before. It's even possible you've used one before. But do you actually know what it does? A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which basically means it gives you privacy. Why do you need a VPN online? Originally, VPNs were used in business settings to secure data for remote workers. Nowadays, VPNs are used by everyone because they ensure your location stays private, your data is encrypted, and you can surf the web anonymously. But how does it actually work? When you visit a site, you type in a domain name, which is a nickname for the website's IP address. An IP address is just like your home address, only it consists of numbers. When you type in the website's domain name on your browser, you send your data into the internet until it reaches a server. The problem is, when you send that data to the server, you're sending them your IP address and other information too, which hackers can intercept. Imagine you're sitting in a coffee shop using public Wi-Fi and want to check your bank account. Someone else can easily log into the network and get a hold of your passwords, emails, and other information. But if you use a VPN, they won't be able to access that. So, how does a VPN protect my privacy? A VPN creates a tunnel that encrypts your information. A VPN also adds in an extra server. With a VPN, your data goes to their server first, and then it's sent out to the website. First, it can change your location. Many video streaming websites have strict content depending on your geolocation. You send your information to one of the VPN servers in America, and then that server sends it to the Netflix website, which now thinks you're in America. Let's get back to your privacy. Many times, governments can request website data and use the listed IP addresses to track your location. But with the VPN, their information only reaches the VPN server. They can't track you back to your original IP address. Many VPNs also have a no-logs policy, which means they don't record what sites you visit. VPNs are really handy when it comes to keeping your privacy safe on the web. Now that you know what a VPN is, it's time to go get one.